Hi, welcome to the Mech Tech YouTube channel. I hope you are well and happy. In this video, we will discuss the classification of automobiles in detail. There are different types of automobiles on the basis of load, fuel, wheel drive, etc. I hope you are ready and excited to learn with Mech Tech about the classification of automobiles in detail. So let's start with today's topic. Classification of automobile. 1. On the basis of load. A. Heavy transport vehicle or heavy motor vehicle. B. Light transport vehicle or light motor vehicle. 2. On the basis of wheel. A. Two-wheeler vehicle, such as scooter motorcycle. B. Three-wheeler vehicle, such as tempo autorickshaw. C. Four-wheeler vehicle such as cars, truck, jeep, bus, etc. 3. On the basis of fuel used. A. Petrol vehicle, motorcycle, car, etc. B. Diesel vehicle, bus, truck, tractor, and generally heavy load transport vehicle. C. Electric vehicle, which uses electrical energy as their fuel. D. Steam engine vehicle, engine which uses steam. E. Gas vehicle, e.g., LPG, CNG, etc. 4. On the basis of body style. A. There are different types of vehicles that are classified according to their body styles. The types of uses and purposes of vehicles are different depending on their body style.
5. On the basis of transmission. A. Conventional vehicle with manual transmission. B. Semi-automatic transmission vehicle. C. Automatic transmission vehicle. In automatic transmission vehicle, gears are not required to change manually. 6. On the basis of drive. A. Left-hand drive. In all American automobiles, steering is fitted in the left-hand side. B. Right-hand drive. In all Indian automobiles, steering is fitted in right-hand side when seen from rear to front of the vehicle. 7. On the basis of driving axle. A. Front-wheel drive. The engine transmit power to front wheel. The engine is normally placed at rear of vehicle. B. Rear-wheel drive. The engine supply power to the rear wheel of vehicle and engine is normally placed at front of the vehicle, example most of the car. C. All-wheel drive. The engine transmitted power to all four wheel of the vehicle and engine can placed in all rear or front of the vehicle, example, 4x4 vehicle. 8. On the basis of position of engine. A. Engine in front, most of the vehicle having engine in front side, example most of the car. B. Engine in rear side, very few vehicle engine located in rear side. 9. On the basis of engine cylinder. A. Single-cylinder engine, example, scooter, motorcycle. B. 3 or 4-cylinder engine, which are used for small cars. C. Multi-cylinder engines, are used for heavy load or heavy-duty vehicles. 10. On the basis of suspension, the type of spring used between wheel and chassis. A. Conventional vehicle. In this type of vehicle, leaf spring are attached to a rigid beam axle. B. Independent system. In this type, coil spring, torsional bar, pneumatic suspension, shock absorber are attached to each wheel.
Thanks for watching. Please stay in touch with the Mech Tech YouTube channel for more knowledge and information about the field of machines and automobiles and help Mech Tech grow. Please like, subscribe, and share this video as your support. Have a great time ahead.